Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be doing on how to get Aviator Predictor activation code for free. So you want to get a Aviator Predictor activation code for free. So I'm gonna stop you here. There's no safe or legal way to get that code, which means tools and predictors for active aviator or similar betting games or scam illegal and unsafe. They can expose you to malware or spyware hidden inside fake applications or generators, and you don't want that. What you can do instead is that you want to download the official Aviator game only from the trusted platforms like Google Play, App Store, or the operator's official site. Use legitimate promos like welcome bonuses, free spins, or deposit matches from licensed casinos. You want to manage play with responsible gaming tools, so any site or video offering free Aviator Predictor codes is almost certainly a scam. So, I want to suggest you to go to Reddit and search up for some free codes. Maybe you could get lucky and have some free Aviator Predictor activation codes.